Here we are again, Dad&ally Cooks. Magandang araw po! Today, tayo po ay magluluto ng one of Pinoy's favorite dish na talagang yummy pag rainy. Ito ang Nilagang Pata. Cooked in a traditional way, but we gave it a little twist. Remember to like this video, click the subscribe button, and also the bell to be notified. So let's start. Here are the ingredients. Meron tayong pata, repolyo, mais, saging na saba, sibuyas, pork cubes, patatas, asin, paminta, at pechay. All approved by Boss Ali. Let's start! Sa isang pan, maglalagay tayo ng approximately 1 liter of water. And then, ilalagay na natin ang ating pata. Ang ginamit po natin dito is yung front part ng pata. After natin mailagay yung lahat ng ating pata, titimplahan na natin ito ng asin, durog na paminta, at sibuyas. Ito po ang magpapalasa ng ating pata habang pinakukuluan. After we put our salt, pepper, and onions, tatakpan natin ito and we will let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Kailangan palambutin natin ito ng husto para mas lalong masarap ang ating nilagang pata at mas lalo siyang luminamnam. After 20 minutes of boiling, ito na siya. And hahaluin natin siya ng kaunti. At this point, medyo matigas pa yung ating pata. And marami pa yung ating boiling water. So right now, we will cover it again. And we will let it boil for another 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, heto na yung ating lutuin. Hahaluin ulit natin. And kung makikita nyo po, nag-iiba na yung texture ng ating mga pata. That's because 40 minutes na siyang pinakukuluan. Since as of the moment, nakikita na natin na malambot na ang ating pata, hahanguin natin ito ngayon and ihiwain natin into small slices. Nang sa ganon, masarap siyang kainin. Hihiwain natin ngayon yung mga meaty parts. After natin mahiwa ang ating mga pata, ibabalik na natin siya sa ating kaldero. And this time, we will cover it and we will let it boil for about 30 minutes in medium heat. This will make our pata tender and more easier to chew. After 30 minutes of continuous boiling, hahaluin natin ng bahagya ang ating lutuin and makikita natin na napakaganda na ng itsura because nag-blend na lahat ng ingredients dito sa ating pata. Ngayon, ilalagay na natin ang ating natitira pang ibang ingredients. Sisimulan natin ilagay ang ating patatas. And then, isusunod kong ilalagay yung walang balat na saging na saba para mas kumatas yung tamis niya sa ating sabaw. And then, isusunod natin ilagay ang ating mais. Hahaluin natin siya ng bahagya ulit. After natin siya mahalo, lalagyan na natin ng Knorr pork cubes. This will enhance the meaty taste of our nilagang pata. After natin mailagay lahat ng ating ingredients, we will cover it again and we will let it boil for another 20 minutes in medium heat para mas lalo pang lumambot yung ating pata together with potatoes, saging na saba, and of course yung ating mais. So after 20 minutes, let's check. It seems na malambot na yung ating potatoes, corn, and saba. Hahaluin lang natin ulit. So sa nakikita natin, medyo hindi pa luto yung ating corn. And tatakpan muna natin siya ulit. And we will let it boil for another 10 minutes. Para tuluyang lumambot yung ating corn together with the pata, potatoes, and yung saging na saba. After 10 extra minutes of boiling, we're almost done and ilalagay na natin yung ating mga gulay. Sisimulan natin ilagay ang ating repolyo or ang ating cabbage. After natin mailagay yung ating repolyo, isusunod natin ilalagay ang ating pechay. So after natin mailagay yung ating pechay and yung ating repolyo, aayusin lang natin ito ng bahagya. And we will cover it again for a few seconds para maluto lang ng bahagya yung ating repolyo at yung ating pechay. So we're done and we will turn off the heat and we will transfer this to our serving bowl. So it's time to plate our dish. Sisimulan natin sa paglalagay ng ating pata and ng ating corn and of course ang ating potatoes and all of the yummy ingredients. And of course, lastly, ilalagay natin ang ating repolyo at ang ating pechay. And to savor our nilaga, ilalagay na natin ang ating sabaw. Ibubuhos lang natin ang ating sabaw sa ating pata. Our yummy sabaw. Para mas lalong sumarap ang ating nilaga, gumawa lang po ako ng sausawan. Pinagsama-samang toyo, kalamansi, at sili. So eto na po, our nilagang pata.
Please like this video. If you have comments or reactions or suggestions, kindly comment down below. If you want more yummy and exciting videos, kindly click the subscribe button and hit the bell button for you to be updated on our upcoming videos.
Again, maraming salamat po sa ating viewers, especially to our subscribers. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Hanggang sa muli, and God bless us all.